How did God confirm his promise to Abraham? And why did God add this oath to his word of promise?
For when God made promise to Abraham, because he could swear by no greater, he sware by himself. For men verily swear by the greater, and an oath for confirmation is to them an end of all strife, wherein God, willing more abundantly to show unto the heirs of promise the immutability of his counsel, confirmed it by an oath, that by two immutable things in which it was impossible for God to lie, we might have a strong consolation, who have fled for refuge to lay hold upon the hope set before us.
In the book of Genesis, God promises to Abraham over and over that he would bless him, make him a great nation, and give him a particular area of land to inherit. After Abraham demonstrated his faith in God in a mighty way, God confirmed the original promises he made to Abraham by swearing by his own name. Why did he do this? Think about a witness in a courtroom in the United States. When a witness is sworn in, they are typically made to put their hand over the Bible and ask a simple question. Do you solemnly swear that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Humans swear by God because he is greater than us. However, there is no greater name than God. So God had to swear by his own name. He did this to show everyone who inherits this promise that it is unchangeable.